AI is rapidly emerging as the next big thing, and the market is projected to be $827 million by 2030. The heart of this revolution is semiconductors. Tiny but powerful chips driving this transformation. In this video, we will introduce 6 semiconductor stocks that are leading this revolution behind the scenes, and they aren't Nvidia. We will show you the role that each company plays in the industry. In the end, there is a semiconductor stock that will make you over $270,000 in 10 years from a $10,000 initial investment. Before diving into our top semiconductor stock picks, let's see why we need these chips and what are the applications. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern technology. They power all the big innovations we hear about today. AI, 5G, cloud computing, and autonomous vehicles are driven by semiconductors. These tiny chips function like human brains, but far more efficiently, executing complex tasks with precision. Look ahead. We will see advanced technology applied in even more fields like robotics, healthcare, and finance. Number 6, we have Qualcomm Incorporated, ticker symbol QCOM. This is a global semiconductor and telecommunications company. The company is focusing on 3 major businesses: CDMA Technologies, QTL segment, and QSI segment. CDMA Technologies is Qualcomm designs and manufactures integrated circuits and software to support communications, networking, and computing. For example, we had 3G and 4G communication before, and 5G today are all provided by Qualcomm. The QTL segment refers to Qualcomm allowing companies to use a portion of its intellectual property, like Snapdragon SoCs that integrated numerous components like CPU, GPU, modem, and other technologies into a single chip. QSI segment is Qualcomm invests in early-stage companies in different industries, like AI, automotive, and cloud. This investment could be risky, but the return is big. Qualcomm's technology is supporting a wide range of products including automotive, Internet of Things, and networking that are impacting our daily lives. As a tech company, Qualcomm also invests heavily to maintain the technological leadership and drive innovation in the semiconductor industry. In 2023, Qualcomm spent $9 billion in research and development. This is equivalent to a quarter of the revenue in the same year. This number is expected to grow in the following years. The current dividend yield is 1.76%, and the dividend growth rate is 8.26% per year in the past 10 years. Very nice growth. The share price appreciation is 10.32% per year. If this trend continues, a $10,000 investment would be $15,750, and the annual dividend is $255. In 10 years, the investment would be $27,601 with an annual dividend of $403. This is 2.7 times in return. Number 5, we have Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. As a prominent player in the semiconductor industry, Micron specializes in producing memory and storage solutions, including DRAM and NAND chips. These memory chips are essential components in electronic devices, like computers, smartphones, and servers. To stay ahead of the game, Micron also invests heavily in research and development to enhance the performance, capacity, and energy efficiency of its memory products. Over the next decade, Micron plans to invest $150 billion globally in research and development as well as manufacturing. Thanks to the rapid development of AI and 5G, the demand for memory products is still increasing. Data centers need Micron's memory and storage solutions that are tailored for them to optimize their performance and increase efficiency. Same for automotives. As vehicles get more connected and autonomous, the demand for reliable memory is there as well. Additionally, the government is also very supportive of developing semiconductors in the U.S. The CHIPS Act granted $6.1 billion in leading-edge memory manufacturing in Idaho and New York through 2030. We are expecting the company will continuously increase revenue in the near future. The current dividend yield is 0.34%. For a tech company, this is acceptable. In the past 10 years, the share price appreciation is 301.95%, so on average each year is 14.93% in growth. A $10,000 investment would grow to $17,448 after 5 years. 10 years later, the investment would become $34,987. This is 3.5 times in return. Number 4, let's check out Texas Instruments, ticker symbol TXN. This company designs, manufactures, and sells analog and embedded processing products. These are essential components for electronic systems. In daily life, we may see TI calculators from Texas Instruments, but the company is serving way more than just students. The company is currently offering 80,000 products to 100,000 customers. We all know Vision Pro is a relatively new product from Apple. Texas Instruments' advanced semiconductor and integrated circuit technologies are critical for this device. Another example is the fitness trackers. They have sensors, wireless connectivity, and microcontrollers that are all coming from Texas Instruments. These components help make fitness trackers compact, efficient, and capable of providing real-time health and fitness data. This is another company that works behind the scenes and the technology becomes part of our lives without noticing it. The current dividend yield is 2.61%. This is higher than most semiconductor companies. And the dividend growth rate is 15.85% per year. Very impressive growth. In the past 10 years, the share price appreciation is 14.96% per year. If this trend continues, a $10,000 investment would become $19,130 after 5 years. In 10 years, the investment would be $43,234. This is 4.3 times in return. Number 3, we have Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. This company is a leader in materials engineering solutions of the semiconductor world. There are 3 main areas this company is focusing on: semiconductor systems, applied global services, and display and adjacent market. For the semiconductor systems, the company designs, manufactures, and sells chip manufacturing equipment to companies like Intel and Samsung to produce chips and integrated circuits. Applied Global Services refers to the company offering solutions to improve the performance and efficiency of equipment and also the software. The display segment is to produce items used in making liquid crystal displays, or LCD as we heard the most. This technology is commonly used in TVs, smartphones, and laptops. You may not hear about this company all the time like Nvidia or AMD, but it is an important player in supporting the development of AI and electronic vehicles. Like other companies, Applied Materials is also investing huge in research and development to stay competitive in the market. In 2021, the company spent $2.49 billion. It jumped to $2.77 billion in 2022 and $3.10 billion in 2023. The current dividend yield is 0.66%, and the dividend growth rate is 13.02% per year in the past 10 years. Also, the share price appreciation is 26.65% per year in the past 10 years. If this trend continues, a $10,000 investment would become $26,168. In 10 years, the investment would be $86,216. This is 8.6 times in return. These stocks are good, but the next 2 have very high growth. The last one has the potential to grow your wealth 27 times in 10 years. Number 2, we have KLA Corporation, ticker symbol KLAC. While it may not be a household name, KLA plays a crucial role behind the scenes in the semiconductor industry. When companies like Intel, Texas Instruments, and Qualcomm are producing chips, KLA offers process control and yield management to ensure the quality of semiconductor manufacturing. There are two main product lines: defect inspection and metrology. Defect inspection means the system finds, identifies, and classifies defects on the chip. Metrology tools are used to measure important sizes of a chip, like how thick a film is or how layers line up. These technologies are critical for the chip manufacturing process, especially for the advanced semiconductor wafers that are used in high-performance computing, like smartphones. Not only that, research labs and academia are also using the technology from KLA. In the past 3 years, Intel and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing have been the two largest customers. Qualcomm, Nvidia, and Texas Instruments are all KLA's customers. As the technology advances quickly, KLA doesn't want to get behind. In 2021, the company spent $0.93 billion in research and development. This number went up quickly to $1.11 billion in 2022 and $1.30 billion in 2023. The current dividend yield is 0.68%, and the dividend growth rate is 12.12% per year. Very nice growth. Most importantly, the share price appreciation is 1,325.19% in the past 10 years. So each year is 30.43% in growth. If this rate continues, a $10,000 investment would become $29,401 after 5 years. In the 10-year mark, the investment would become $111,878. This is almost 12 times in return. Very impressive. Number 1, we have the front runner in high-performance computing and graphics solutions, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, ticker symbol AMD. This tech giant sets the standard for modern computing with its cutting-edge products. AMD excels in producing high-performance computing and graphics solutions for gaming, data centers, and professional applications. For example, AMD's Ryzen 5, 7, and 9 series microprocessors are renowned for gaming and photo editing. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, are widely used in data centers. Additionally, AMD creates embedded processors for specialized industries like healthcare, ensuring the unique performance requirements are met. As an industrial leader, AMD must continuously innovate and stay competitive by investing heavily in research and development. Back in 2019, the company only invested $1.5 billion in it. In 2022 and 2023, that investment had grown to $5 billion and $5.9 billion respectively. AMD is determined to stay innovative and win the battle of AI. Currently, the company does not pay any dividends, but it had an amazing growth rate of 3,829.06% in the past 10 years. That is an average growth rate of 44.35% per year. This is an impressive growth. If this trend continues, a $10,000 investment would grow to $43,418 in 5 years. 10 years later, the investment would be $272,114. This is 27 times in return. These are all the 6 semiconductor stocks that have huge potential to grow in this AI revolution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next video.